Ignition sequence start. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour.
Look, Bean, look, it
Liftoff on
worked!
Apollo
It
11.
deployed! Woohoo!
Tower cleared.
We got a roll program.
Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program will put Apollo 11 on proper
It
heading.
worked. That was awesome. There we go. That was hold it up.
Can we do this again? Because we've got. Do we have more?
You can launch. Yeah, we can launch it again.
Altitude, velocity, light. 8.5 down, 220 feet. 13 forward.
Yes! Yes! Let it land. Let it land. Let it land.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Look at the blast marks.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh. Here's the. Hey. Can I see?
Yeah. They're on the ground next to it.